Hello. This video is to practice your speaking skills with our previous story, I Am a Superhero. You can watch this story from the card above.
Hi, I am Peter Parker. Hi, I am Peter Parker. I live in New York. I live in New York. I am not an ordinary person. I am not an ordinary person. I am Spider-Man. I am Spider-Man. I lost my parents in a car accident. I lost my parents in a car accident when I was a child. When I was a child. So I live with my aunt. So I live with my aunt. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. and head to the bathroom. And head to the bathroom. Brush my teeth and take a shower. Brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I go to the kitchen. After that, I go to the kitchen. When I get there, I always find my aunt is preparing breakfast for me. I always find my aunt is preparing breakfast for me. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. My favorite breakfast is toast. My favorite breakfast is toast with jam and milk. With jam and milk. Then I pack my backpack. Then I pack my backpack, including my special suit, and go out. Including my special suit, and go out. I go to the top of a tall building. I go to the top of a tall building. And from there, I observe the city. And from there, I observe the city. Then I go to other parts of the city. Then I go to other parts of the city to check if anyone needs help. To check if anyone needs help. Sometimes, in a narrow alley in New York, in a narrow alley in New York, thieves try to steal a lady's purse. Thieves try to steal a lady's purse. I go there and take the purse from the thieves. I go there and take the purse from the thieves. And return it to the lady. And return it to the lady. In New York, there is a reporter. In New York, there is a reporter who doesn't like me very much. Who doesn't like me very much. And keeps asking the police to catch me. And keeps asking the police to catch me. He believes that I'm causing chaos in the city. He believes that I'm causing chaos in the city. And I am New York's problem. And I am New York's problem. Maybe he's right. Maybe he's right. I also help the police. I also help the police. Sometimes thieves attack stores or banks. Sometimes thieves attack stores or banks and rob them. And rob them. The police chase them. The police chase them. And I help the police to catch them. And I help the police to catch them. There are also some bad people in the city. There are also some bad people in the city. They are different and have special powers. They are different and have special powers. Like the lizard. Like the lizard. I fight with them too. I fight with them too. At the end of the day. At the end of the day. When I am sure the city is safe. When I am sure the city is safe. I return home late. I return home late. And my aunt is asleep. And my aunt is asleep. I quietly enter my room through the window. I quietly enter my room through the window. Because I don't want to wake her up. Because I don't want to wake her up. Then I change my clothes. Then I change my clothes. And exhausted. And exhausted. I lie down on the bed and fall asleep. I lie down on the bed and fall asleep. No one knows that I am Spider-Man. No one knows that I am Spider-Man. My identity must remain a secret. My identity must remain a secret. Because if they find out. Because if they find out. The lives of those who know me will be in danger. The lives of those who know me will be in danger. I always remind myself. I always remind myself that with great power, comes great responsibility. Comes great responsibility.
Great job! You did well. You can learn new vocabulary and expressions of this story from the video above, or you can watch a new wonderful story from the video below.